The SIG Sauer P320 is a modular, striker-fired, semi-automatic pistol developed by SIG Sauer Incorporated, the American branch of the Swiss-German company. Introduced in 2014, it's a further evolution of the SIG Sauer P250, replacing the double-action-only hammer system with a striker-fired mechanism. Its modularity, reliability, and performance have made it one of the most popular handguns in the United States, adopted by the U.S. military, law enforcement agencies, and civilians for self-defense, competition, and recreational shooting. 1. History and development. Introduction. The P320 was first released on January 15, 2014, in 9x19mm Parabellum, with a .45 ACP compact model following at the 2015 SHOT Show. It was designed by Adrian Thomely, Thomas Metzger, Michael Mayerl, and Ethan Lassard as a modular platform to compete in the modern pistol market. Military adoption. In January 2017, a customized version of the P320 won the U.S. Army's XM17 Modular Handgun System, MHS competition to replace the Beretta M9. The full-size model was designated the M17, and the compact carry model became the M18. The contract allows for up to 421,000 units across the U.S. military branches, 195,000 Army, 130,000 Air Force, 61,000 Navy, 35,000 Marines. The 101st Airborne Division received the first M17S in November 2017. Civilian and law enforcement popularity. The P320's modularity and performance led to its adoption by various law enforcement agencies worldwide, including the Texas Department of Public Safety, Hawaii Department of Public Safety, and Denmark's military. It was named the 2016 Handgun of the Year by American Rifleman. 2. Design and features. The P320's defining characteristic is its modular design, centered around a serialized fire control unit, FCU, which houses the trigger, hammer, and safety mechanisms. This allows users to swap grip modules, slides, barrels, and calibers without needing a new serialized firearm. Key design elements. Fire Control Unit, FCU. The FCU is the serialized component, making it the legally controlled part of the firearm. It can be transferred between different grip modules, slides, and calibers, offering unparalleled customization. Striker-fired mechanism. Unlike the P250's double-action-only system, the P320 uses a pre-tensioned double-action striker, providing a consistent trigger pull, approximately 5.5 pounds. Some models, like the M17, include an optional manual safety. Modularity. Grip modules, available in small, medium, and large sizes, with polymer or metal, e.g., AXG alloy or TXG tungsten-infused, options. Grip modules can be swapped for full-size, compact, subcompact, or X-series configurations. Calibers, supports 9x19mm Parabellum, most common, .357 SIG, .40 SNW, .45 ACP, and 10mm Auto, P320 XTN. Caliber changes are simple, with 9mm, .357 SIG, and .40 SNW sharing grip modules, while .45 ACP and 10mm Auto require specific modules due to larger cartridge dimensions. Note: SIG advises against converting .45 ACP frames to smaller calibers due to safety concerns. Slides and barrels, available in full-size, 4.7-inch barrel, compact, 3.9, subcompact, 3.6, or carry configurations. Slides can be optics-ready, e.g., for Romeo 1 Pro or Delta Point Pro, or feature standard SIG-Lite night sights. Safety features. Striker safety and disconnect safety prevent accidental discharge. No trigger pull is required for disassembly, reducing the risk of negligent discharges. Ambidextrous controls, slide catch, magazine release, make it suitable for left and right-handed shooters. Accessories, includes a Picatinny rail for mounting lights or lasers. Optics-ready models support red dot sights like the Romeo X or Romeo 1 Pro. Trigger, Offers a smooth, crisp pull with a flat or curved trigger shoe. X-series models often feature a skeletonized flat trigger. The XFive Legion model has a 30% lighter trigger pull. Magazine capacity varies by model and caliber. 9 mm. 17 rounds, full size, 15 rounds, compact, 12 rounds, subcompact, with optional 21-round extended magazines. .40 S and W/.357 SIG, 14 rounds, full size, 10 rounds, compact. .45 ACP, 9 to 10 rounds. 10 mm auto, 15 rounds, XTN. Operation. The P320 uses a short recoil, locked breech system with a cam-operated barrel, refined from SIG's earlier designs. The slide locks into the ejection port, and the pistol can be field stripped without tools. 3. Variants and models. The P320 lineup includes numerous models tailored for specific uses, from concealed carry to competition. Below are key variants. Standard models. P320 Nitron, the baseline model with a nitron-coated stainless steel slide for corrosion resistance. Available in full size, compact, and previously subcompact sizes, primarily in 9 mm, priced around $500, it's the most affordable option. P320 Compact, features a 3.9-inch barrel and 15-round magazine, 9 mm. Ideal for concealed carry or home defense. P320 Carry, uses a compact slide, 3.9-inch barrel, with a full-size grip, offering 17 rounds in 9 mm. P320 Full Size, equipped with a 4.7-inch barrel and 17-round magazine, 9 mm, designed for target shooting or duty use. Military variants. M17, full size. The U.S. military standard sidearm, chambered in 9 mm with a 4.7-inch barrel, 17-round magazine, optional 21-round, and a manual safety. Features an optics-ready slide and coyote tan finish. M18, compact. A carry-sized version with a 3.9-inch barrel, used primarily by the Navy. X-Series. The X-Series enhances ergonomics and performance with features like extended beaver tails, undercut trigger guards, and flat triggers. P320 XCompact, a concealed carry-focused model with a 3.6-inch barrel, 15-round magazine, and X-Series grip module. Optics ready with XRAY 3-day/night sights. P320 X Carry, larger than the XCompact, with a 3.9-inch barrel and 17-round magazine. Used as the basis for the M18. P320 X Full, a full-size X-Series model with a 4.7-inch barrel, optics-ready slide, and enhanced grip module. Available on the California roster. P320 XFive Legion, a competition-focused model with a 5-inch bull barrel, tungsten-infused TXG grip module, 43.5-ounce total weight, and a 50% reduction in muzzle flip. Features a skeletonized trigger and adjustable Dawson precision sights. Named the 2020 ICA Handgun of the Year. P320 XTN, a 10mm auto variant with a 5-inch bull barrel and 15-round capacity, designed for hunting or defense. P320 Sten Comp, a carry-length 10mm model with slide-integrated compensation for reduced recoil. P320 XFive SXG, a steel-framed, competition-oriented model weighing nearly 50 ounces, designed for precision and reduced recoil. Specialized models. P320 RX, equipped with a factory-installed Romeo 1 red dot sight. Available in full-size and compact versions. P320 TACOPS, features a threaded barrel, tall SIG night sights, and 21-round magazines. Available in full-size and carry configurations. P320 Max. A competition model designed with pro shooter Max Michel, featuring a 5-inch bull barrel, Romeo 3 Max red dot, and TXG grip module. Includes 4 21-round magazines. P320 Spectre Comp, a high-performance model with a custom distressed finish, optics-ready slide, and enhanced trigger. Suitable for competition or carry. P320AXG Legion, features an alloy grip module, optics-ready slide, and a ported barrel for reduced recoil. P320 MOD, a crossover pistol combining competition and duty features, designed with Max Michel. P320 Flux Legion PDW, a pistol with a 30+1 capacity, adjustable brace, and optics-ready slide, marketed as a personal defense weapon. WCP 320, Wilson Combat, a custom-enhanced P320 with Wilson Combat's grip module, remachined slide, and performance sights. Available in full-size, carry, and compact sizes. Custom Works. SIG's Custom Works concierge service allows users to build a custom P320 by selecting frame size, slide, barrel, optics, and accessories via the P320 Studio. 4. Performance and user feedback. The P320 is praised for its reliability, accuracy, and versatility, making it suitable for duty, concealed carry, home defense, and competition. Strengths. Reliability. Users report thousands of rounds fired without malfunctions. One reviewer noted 3,000 rounds through a duty P320 without issues. Accuracy. The smooth trigger and ergonomic design contribute to excellent accuracy. The XFive Legion's heavy frame and bull barrel further enhance precision. Modularity. The ability to change grip sizes, calibers, and configurations without buying a new firearm is a major selling point. Ergonomics. The X-Series grip modules, with extended beaver tails and high undercuts, improve recoil control and comfort. However, some users find the standard grip too blocky or like a 2x4. Military and LE proven. Its adoption by the U.S. military and law enforcement agencies worldwide attests to its durability and performance under stress. Criticisms. Ergonomics. Some users with smaller hands find the grip too large or the trigger blade overly wide. The grip angle, 17 degrees, similar to a 1911, may require adjustment for shooters accustomed to Glock's angle. Aftermarket support. While SIG offers many parts, the P320 lags behind Glock in third-party aftermarket accessories, particularly magazines. Weight. Models like the XFive Legion, 43.5 ounces, or XFive SXG, 50 Oz, are heavy for carry but excel in competition due to reduced recoil. 5. Controversies and safety issues. The P320 has faced significant scrutiny due to reported unintended discharges, particularly in its early production models. Drop safety issue, 2017. Problem. Initial P320 models could discharge if dropped at a specific angle, e.g., 33 degrees, with the slide's rear hitting the ground. The issue was linked to the trigger's weight and inertia. Independent tests by the TIRATHABOutguns.com confirmed a 40% drop fire rate in certain conditions. Response. SIG Sauer issued a voluntary upgrade program on August 8, 2017, modifying the trigger, sear, and striker and adding a mechanical disconnector to prevent drop fires. The upgrade was free, with SIG covering shipping costs. Upgraded pistols are considered drop-safe. Impact. The Dallas Police Department temporarily banned the P320 in July 2017 pending investigation. The issue was resolved for most users through the upgrade program. Unintended discharges, ongoing concerns. Reports. As of April 2023, over 100 people, including 33 officers across 18 law enforcement agencies, reported P320s firing without trigger pulls, resulting in at least 80 injuries. Incidents occurred while holstered or during handling, often attributed to the striker-fired mechanism or holster issues. Notable case. In 2019, Canada's Joint Task Force 2, JTF-2, procured 400 P320s but withdrew them after a 2020 misfire injured a soldier during training, reverting to the SIG P226. JTF-2 was the only Canadian unit using the P320. SIG's stance. SIG Sauer maintains that the P320 is safe when used with proper holsters and handling. They argue that many incidents result from user error or incompatible holsters. However, at least 6 U.S. law enforcement agencies have removed the P320 from service due to persistent concerns. Counterpoint: the P320's safety features, striker and disconnect safeties, no trigger pull for disassembly, are designed to prevent negligent discharges. Many users report no issues after thousands of rounds, suggesting that proper maintenance and holster choice mitigate risks. Critical perspective. While SIG Sauer's voluntary upgrade addressed the drop fire issue, the ongoing reports of unintended discharges raise questions about the design's reliability in real-world conditions. The establishment narrative from SIG emphasizes user error, but the volume of incidents, especially among trained professionals, suggests potential flaws in the striker-fired system or quality control. Without independent, large-scale testing, it's hard to definitively assess the scope of the problem. Users should ensure their P320 is upgraded, use SIG-approved holsters, and follow strict handling protocols. 6. Pricing and availability. Price range. Standard Nitron models, $500, new. X-Series models, e.g., XCompact, X-Full $600 to $800. Premium models, e.g., XFive Legion, P320 Max $900 to $1,500. Custom works or limited editions, e.g., M17 commemorative $1,000 plus. PDW variants, e.g., P320 Flux Legion $1,499. Used/elite trade-ins, as low as $329 with magazines. Availability, widely available through retailers like Sportsman's Warehouse, Bass Pro Shops, Cabela's, and online platforms, e.g., Guns.com, GreenTop. Some models, like the .45 ACP Compact, may be harder to find. Legal restrictions. Certain states, e.g., California, Illinois, have roster requirements or magazine capacity limits. The P320 XFool is California compliant. 7. Use cases and applications. Military. The M17/M18 serves as the U.S. military standard sidearm, praised for its modularity, lighter trigger, and ease of use. Law enforcement, adopted by agencies for its reliability and customization options. However, some departments have withdrawn it due to safety concerns. Concealed carry. Compact models like the XCompact or Carry are popular for their balance of capacity, concealability, and shootability. Home defense. Full-size models with high capacity, 17 to 21 rounds, and accessory rails are ideal for home defense. Competition. Models like the XFive Legion, P320 Max, and XFive SXG are designed for competitive shooting, with heavy frames and optics-ready slides. Hunting/backcountry. The P320 XTN, 10mm auto, is marketed for defense against large animals or backcountry carry. 8. Comparison to competitors. Glock 1719, the P320's modularity surpasses Glock's, but Glock has better aftermarket support and a longer track record of reliability. Some prefer Glock's grip angle for natural pointing. Smith & Wesson M&P, similar modularity but less widespread adoption. The P320's military contract gives it an edge in perceived reliability. Beretta M9, the P320, M17/M18, replaced the M9 due to its lighter weight, modularity, and striker-fired system. SIG P226, the P320 striker-fired design is more modern than the hammer-fired P226, but the P226 is still favored by some for its proven reliability. 9. Upgrades and customization. SIG parts. SIG offers grip modules, slides, barrels, and optics, e.g., Romeo 1 Pro, Romeo X. The P320 Studio allows custom builds. Wilson Combat. The WCP320 enhances the platform with custom grips, slides, and trigger tuning, e.g., Greygun's trigger system for a 4-pound pull. Aftermarket. limited compared to Glock but growing. Options include stippled grips, magazine extensions, and red dot sights. Holsters: use SIG-approved holsters to prevent unintended discharges. Popular brands include CompTac and Safariland. 10. Conclusion. The SIG Sauer P320 is a versatile, reliable, and highly customizable pistol that has redefined the striker-fired market. Its modularity allows it to adapt to virtually any shooter or scenario, from military service to concealed carry to competitive shooting. Its adoption by the U.S. military and numerous law enforcement agencies underscores its performance, though safety concerns regarding unintended discharges warrant caution. For prospective buyers, ensuring the pistol has the voluntary upgrade and using proper holsters are critical. With models ranging from the affordable Nitron to the premium XFive Legion, the P320 offers something for every shooter, though those with smaller hands or a preference for extensive aftermarket support may need to weigh alternatives like Glock.